guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Birchbox. This is their April beauty box and it's super cute. It's holographic. And if you hear any noise in the background, I apologize. My 1-year-old is right behind me playing with some stuff on the ground. There's a little letter on top that says beginning of a new Birchbox experience, and it's going to keep getting better. So there's going to be more choices, greater value, new brands, and fun surprises. And here's a list of the items I got. Looks like I got 6 instead of 5, so that's cool. Gives you the full-size values and more information about the products. I like that they include that. So let's take a look. So I got a $15 off coupon. Cool. I might use that. What is this? 3 hair rings. Was this the... Yeah, this was the bonus item. So the value of this is $8, it says. These are so tiny, but it says it's supposed to be really good, so we'll see. I opened it to take a better look at it. I've never used one of these before. I've definitely seen them. I just don't see how your hair doesn't get tangled in there, but I will definitely try it out. They're really cute. As long as they hold like shape like that, don't get all stretched out, that's probably a pretty good idea. Next from Luna, we have Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. It says it reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. Very cool. Also have Georgette Klinger Vitamin C Cleansing Gel. I'm almost out of the cleanser I've been using, so that's awesome. Good timing on that. This I have had before, a long time ago. I think I liked it, but I don't really remember. This is Caviar CC Cream. It's a 10-in-1 leave-in hair perfector. It's a pretty good amount of that. Also have Living Proof. I do think that's a brand that I like. This is Prime Style Extender. And the last item in here says Wander. I think that's supposed to be Wander. Lip Retreat. So let's take a look at the card real quick. So the Style Extender is a lightweight smoothing cream. And then the Wander Beauty Lip Retreat Oil has a shade, a berry shade. Glides on to give you all-day hydration, bold color payoff, and subtle shine. I, for whatever reason, I just assumed it would be like a clear color. Oh yeah. No, that is real. Ooh, that's bright. It's a little sticky, but I like that in a lip gloss. I know a lot of people don't like that, but I happen to like that. So that is what I got. If you guys would like to sign up, I'll put a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.